Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom detached residence with a gross floor area in excess of 1,200 square feet and the land size of 6,500 square feet. It is located in Bull Bay, St. Andrew. This prospect is a great abode for a small family, considering its 3 bedrooms. It also has incredible investment value as the community is fast developing and is 5 minutes from Harbour roundabout. It is also 15 minutes from Kingston and has walking access to the beach. It can also be developed in a larger single or multi-family house with adequate space to expand the structure vertically and horizontally. Not many opportunities on the market like this one. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 28 million or US $181,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.